I'm doing everything right, but my channel isn't growing. Recently I asked my subscribers, how do you feel about the current growth of YouTube channel? Here are the results of the survey. 41% said they were sad or depressed. 27% said they were happy. 7% said they were surprised. 25% said they were indifferent. The highest percentage said they were sad or depressed, so let's look at some of the comments. Dumpster Diving Adelaide says, depressed. 1 minute one video is doing great, but the next one is a total flop, even though I'm using strong titles and engaging my audience. Obus1231 says, YouTube has been hard. Jack Ryan says, sad, depressed. Let me know in the comments below how you feel about the current growth of your YouTube channel. In this video, you'll learn the top 5 ways to level up your YouTube videos by 1% this week. Don't worry about doing everything at once. Just focus on one thing you can improve to level up your YouTube videos by 1%. If you repeat this every week, you'll level up your whole YouTube channel. Number 1, level up your topic. If your audience is not interested in the topic that you chose for your video, they won't click and watch the video content. Look at the topics of the videos that are currently getting a lot of traffic on your channel, then make more of those types of videos. The key is to know your target audience by asking the right questions, such as, what are their biggest problems? What's causing them the most pain? What keeps them up at night? If you can answer these questions about your target audience, you'll be able to make the right content for them. Number 2, write a script for your video. Writing a script for your video helps you to stay on track when filming your video. Typically, I create a series of bullet points of what I want to cover during my filming process. If there are specific scenes I need to cut away to, I'll include that in my script. Number 3, use a strong hook. If you can grab the attention of your viewers in the first 30 seconds of your video, it's more likely they'll watch the rest of the video. A strong hook could be asking a question, teasing your viewers about what's coming up later in the video, making a bold statement, or doing something entertaining. I've discovered that resetting the attention of your viewers every few seconds by adding B-roll helps maintain the attention of your viewers in the first 30 seconds. Number 4, tell a story. Recently I went on a road trip to Florida to escape the winter and take a break from my work. I relaxed at the beautiful beaches where I saw many pelicans, went on an airboat ride to see alligators in the wild, and hiked multiple trails. When I got back home, I felt thoroughly refreshed and ready to start work. See how I told a story in that short clip, and you can do the same with your own videos. Number 1, relax. Before you deliver your content, make sure you're relaxed, because if you're uptight, it will come across in your video. One of the easiest ways to do this is to smile first before you record a clip. Avoid speaking too fast and use pauses between sentences. Usually I look at the bullet point first that is on my script, formulate the message in my mind, then deliver the content in my video. The bullet points on my script help me to stay on track throughout the video so I don't waffle. Number 2, add B-roll and transitions. Showing a clip of what you're talking about is far more powerful than just talking about it. For example, I'm talking about alligators. It's far more powerful to show a B-roll clip of alligators than just talking about it. Use B-roll throughout your video to reset the attention of your viewers so they can keep watching throughout your content. Use transitions when you're transitioning between topics. Number 3, camera angles. When recording a video, you might try positioning yourself on one side of the screen, then try the other side of the screen. I sometimes introduce props such as my cell phone or my GoPro camera. Number 4, call to action. Level up your call to action by recommending the next best video for your viewer to watch. This will help extend the viewing time of your video and increase the probability of your video getting into suggested videos, which are the videos that appear on the right side of the watch page and the ones that come up next. If you optimize your videos correctly, they'll be recommended by YouTube and be discovered in the search engines. Number 1, create a compelling title and thumbnail. Your thumbnail and title is what viewers see first in the search engines and also what is recommended on the home page and in the YouTube app. If your video is getting a low click-through rate, it might be time to redesign your thumbnails and try different titles. Click the link in the description to watch my video on how to write YouTube video titles that everyone loves. Typically, I'll design 2 different thumbnails, then ask for feedback in my Facebook group and my community posts, as well as split testing using the TubeBuddy split testing feature. I'll place a link to TubeBuddy in the description below this video. One of the most important things to do when designing your thumbnails is to look at the thumbnails of your top 5 competitors, then design a thumbnail that stands out from your competitors. You can use different colors, fonts, and images to make it stand out. Number 2, add a compelling description. The first 3 lines of your description are the most crucial because that's what viewers see when they're watching your video. Typically, I'll summarize the content of my video in the first 3 lines of my description, then include a link to watch the next best video. Within the summary, I'll also include my main keyword phrase. Video chapters. These are timestamps that you place in the description that take viewers to that particular segment in the video that they wish to watch. When creating your video chapters, include your main keywords in the titles. This will help your video get indexed into Google and YouTube search engines. If your YouTube chapters or timestamps are not working or not showing, click the link in the description below this video to learn how to fix them. After you've uploaded and optimized your video, your work has just begun. If you promote your video on different platforms, you'll expose your content to different audiences. Number 1, create a YouTube community post. Create a community post for every new video you upload. You can also use community posts for polls, asking questions, and showing behind the scenes. Number 2, stories. These are 15-second video clips that appear in the YouTube app when people are browsing YouTube on their phones. I usually create a story on my phone when I'm out and about exercising. Number 3, shorts. These are 15 to 60-second vertical videos that appear in the YouTube app when people are browsing YouTube on their phones. Shorts are a great way to increase the views and subscribers to YouTube channel because they're short and easy to make. If you want to know how to upload a shorts video from your PC without using your phone, click the link in the description below this video. Number 4, upload a transcript. When you upload a transcript of your video content, people who can't hear or have the sound turned off will be able to read the closed captions under your video. It also helps YouTube to index your content and rank it in the search engines. Number 5, post your content on social media sites. Click the share button under your video to post your content to Pinterest, Twitter, Tumblr, LinkedIn, Blogger, etc. You can also copy the link and share it in your emails. If you have a Facebook group, share it with your group. Feel free to join my Facebook group, 2 Video Bootcamp, where you can interact with over 1,000 like-minded creators. You can ask questions, get feedback, and share your video with the group every Sunday. Click the link in the description to join my Facebook group. Number 6, create a blog post. Use a transcript that you created previously to create a blog post of your video content. This will help your YouTube video get discovered in the YouTube search engine. For example, this video currently ranks number 1 on Google search and shows a large thumbnail at the top of the search results. As a result, I get a ton of views and it helps grow my channel. I also create Instagram posts and Instagram stories by repurposing my YouTube video content. You can level up the quality of your videos by getting a better camera, having a better mic, using a different background, or getting a better computer. The first few years of creating videos for my YouTube channel, I just used my iPhone 4S. Nowadays, you can shoot 4K video using the iPhone Pro 13. Currently, I use the Canon M50 because it has a flip-out screen and takes great videos. Number 2, audio. If you use crappy audio in your videos, it'll turn off your viewers and they won't subscribe to your channel. I used a Movo VX-R10 mic that sits on top of my Canon M50. It produces great sound as long as you sit close to the mic. Number 3, lighting. If you're not well lit, it'll affect the quality of your videos. I use 2 softboxes at 45-degree angles and then a ring light right in front of me. Recently, I included a background light that lights up my background. If you can't afford adequate lighting, you can just go outside to record your videos. Typically, I'll use this background in my videos, or I'll use this background. Make sure you don't have a cluttered background in your videos because it'll distract viewers from the content of your video, and your content is the most important part of your videos. Level up your computer if you want to speed up the video editing process. Normally, I edit videos on my iMac computer when I'm at home, but when traveling, I use a laptop. Recently, the trackpad on my MacBook Air stopped working, so I can no longer use it for editing videos while on the go. I invested in an M1 MacBook Pro so I could easily edit 4K videos while on the go. It's super fast and makes video editing a pleasant experience. Don't worry about doing everything at once, just focus on one thing you can improve to level up your YouTube videos by 1%. What is one thing you're going to level up on your next YouTube video this week? Post your answer in the comments below. If you want to know if your channel is growing or not, watch the video on the screen right now for the 5 signs your YouTube channel is growing.